Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Today's video ay mag-unbox tayo ng charger. Yan. Kasi nagpalit kami ng charger nung laptop. So, nabili ko siya sa LAZADA and then ang store niya ay ang MCOLA.TECH. Dito rin ko rin guys binili yung laptop nung CHROMEBOOK na pang online class ng mga anak ko. Dito rin nakahanap ako dito sa LAZADA. Mura lang siya at pang online class din naman kaya yun. Grab ko na siya. Tsaka sale din siya nun. So, binilhan ko siya kasi nasira yung wire. Napagtripan ko lang alaga. Yung link guys, lagay ko lang sa description box yung link ng laptop at ng charger.
We received our second order from MCOLA.TECH and we are now unboxing it. It is a charger for our Google Chromebook for our online class from MCOLA.TECH because our first ordered charger got damaged and it arrived fast and good and with a good packaging. We really like it so much. It has a free wireless mouse. It is very well functioning and we really appreciate this free gift for our laptop. And we're gonna try this if it's here. Yung charger. Hello siya. Look at this. Work na. May ilaw na. Working. So, yun. Gumagana na siya. Nag-charge na. Ilaw na siya. Try natin yung mouse. It is very beautiful because it works good. Okay. Okay na, bakutan siya. Okay na siya. Thank you for this free wireless mouse. It is very well functioning and we really appreciate this free gift for our laptop. And now our laptop is working now. Thank you very much and God bless. Gumagana na po. Ito po, nakasaksak na po siya. Gumagana na po. Thank you!